ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय आणवशाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पंचदश मंत्र is going on, 15th mantra. I will just summarize yesterday's portion for better understanding and also for my satisfaction. In the mantra, if you see from page 306, third line of the mantra says, Agnaveva deveshu lokam icchante. There is word lokam in the mantra. That lokam is, so deveshu lokam icchante brahmane manusheshu. Up to that is the vakya. That deveshu lokam icchante brahmaneshu manusheshu. That brahmana, on page 309 in Bhashya, first line. Tasmad brahmanatve eva manusheshu lokam karma phalam icchanti. So that loka shabda of mantra, third line, is given as lokam karma phalam icchanti, where agnav deveshu brahmanatve eva manusheshu lokam, and then etabhyam brahmana agni rupabhyam. Brahmana becomes karta of the karma and agni becomes adhikarana of the karma. So there lokam shabda bhashyakar defined as karma phalam. On that, Bhartru Prapancha Vyakhyan said that lokam is Paramatma. So lokam Paramatmanam icchanti. Bhashyakar said that meaning for lokam is not appropriate as Paramatma, because after that on the page 307, when it says swam lokam adrashtva, so that lokam again gets an adjective swam, and then later atmanam eva lokam upasita. So two sentences are there after that. Swam lokam and atmanam eva lokam upasita. Upasita. So there, because lokam has swam as the visheshana, if you say lokam as Paramatma, then swam lokam, that swa visheshana will be anarthaka, because lokam itself is swa, so then why swam lokam? And therefore lokam should be karma phalam. Swam lokam, by that, what is later said is, if you see in Bhashya, it was clarified as Swaloka Vyatirikta on page number 309. Third last line you see. यदि हि अत्र लोक शब्देन पर एव आत्मा उच्येत परेण विशेषणम अनर्थकम स्यात् स्वम लोकम अदृष्ट्वा इति. So then para would be anarthaka visheshanam. But if you say swaloka vyatiriktaschet agnyadhinataya prarthyamanah prakruto lokas tatah swam iti yuktam visheshanam. Swaloka vyatirikta, swaloka means atmaloka. Other than atmaloka, whatever else is sought, that is sought through Agni Adhinataya, means then you depend upon Agni, do karma, and you attain other thing. Atmaloka is not karma prapya, so that is different. So then swam iti yuktam visheshanam. Ha. Para in this mantra or next two mantras until the end of this chapter, there is no para shabda in the mantra. So para shabda you should understand as para means Paramatma, which is swam lokam, in this way. And then later para shabdo anatma vishaya. Other than atma is anatma. In that way para is taken. So for Siddhanti, Swa Atma itself is Paramatma. For Purvapakshi, when Purvapakshi is addressed, then Paraloka means Anatma Loka in that way. So Parashabda Anatma Vishayaha. And then that Swa Visheshanam will be appropriate. And then when later it is said Atmanam Ityeva Lokam Upasita. So Swa is doing Paraloka Nivritti. Paraloka Nivritti means Anatma Loka Nivritti. That is Swaloka. Anatma Loka Nivritti means Avidya Krita Loka Nivritti. Swa and Atma, they will have Sahachara. Sa and Swatvena cha Avyabhicharat Paramatma Lokasya. Paramatma Loka and Paraloka. Paraloka means Anatma Loka. Paramatma Loka is Paramasya so Atma iti Atma. So Paramatma Loka is Atma Loka itself. So there is Avyabhichara. Swaloka is Paraloka or Paramaloka? Paramaloka. Okay, it is Paramatma Loka. Swaloka is Paramatma Loka. And Avidyakrita Loka and Swatva, they will have Vyabhichara. Okay. So this we had seen. In this way, everything will fit in. Swaloka or Atmaloka. So when it is said, a person who departs from here, Swam Lokam Adrishtva, Praiti. Then such person, all his karmas will perish in this way. In other words, whatever he has attained is anitya. Without knowing Atma, whatever else that you have attained is anitya, and therefore that thing will not be able to do your palanam. Sa enam avidito na bhunakti. Let us see now from where we left yesterday. Page number इच्छन्ते इज आर्ष प्रयोग. ఇది పరస్మై పద ధాతు. 311 टीका फर्स्ट लाइन. यह परमात्मानं अविदित्वैव म्रियते तम एनं परमात्मा न पालयति इति योजना. यह परमात्मानं अविदित्वा एव म्रियते. The one who dies without knowing Paramatma will not do palanam of that person. Now here one should not say, but Paramatma is supposed to do palanam of everybody, whether somebody knows Brahma or not. So he should do palanam. Why Paramatma is partial? So Paramatma will do palanam based on your jnanam. If jnanam is not there, palanam is not there. That is how Paramatma is. Paramatma is very clear. Paramatmanah swarupatvat aviditasyapi palayitritvam syat iti ashankya. Somebody has this question that Paramatma is our swarupa. Even if it is not known, why can't it do palanam? Palayitritvam syat Paramatmanah iti ashankya. Sa yadyapi svo loko avidito avidyaya vyavahito aswa iva अज्ञाते एनं संख्यापूर्ण इव लौकिक आत्मानं न भुनक्ति न पालयति शोक मोह भयादि दोषापनयनेन शोक मोह भयादि दोषापनयनेन सह परमात्मा यद्यपि स्वः लोकः. Even though that Paramatma is my own swarupa, swah lokah means me, myself. But aviditaha, not known. Avidyaya vyavahitaha. So therefore, because of avidya, there is some vyavadhanam, obstruction. Avidyaya vyavahita. Aswa iva, that Paramatma is aswa, even though it is swa, but it appears as aswa, aswa iva, not ashwa, aswa. Iva. अज्ञात एनम अज्ञात और अज्ञाते एनम संख्यापूर्ण in tika it will be explained दशत्व संख्या पूरकः. टिप्पणी it is given. तस्य पूरणे डट. In that dat pratyay is there. So Purana Shabda is added to Sankhya because of dat pratyay. 5 to 48. So Sankhya Purana Iva means Dashamaha was Dashama, but he did not have Dashamatva Jnanam. Therefore, that absence of knowledge, because of which he could not protect himself, and he had shoka, moha, bhaya, ityadi. All those doshas remained because there is vyavadhan between me and that jnanam, dashamatva jnanam. In the same way here, me and Brahmatva, between them, me and Paramatma, if there is Vyavadhanam, Paramatma says, I will na palayat, palayami. लौकिक आत्मानम न भुनक्ति संख्या पूर्ण इव लौकिक अप टू दैट इज द दृष्टांत आत्मानम न भुनक्ति न पालयति शोक मोह भय आदि दोष अपनयेन सो शोक मोह भय आदि दोष अपनय विल नॉट हैपन in other words if somebody does not have jnanam and does lot of prayers and stotrams and etc and will, if they complain that, oh, Bhagavan, why you are not removing all these problems in my life? Why I have sorrow? Why I only have to suffer? Why can't that person suffer? This, that, etc. This is the reason. You have created Vyavadhanam between yourself and Paramatma, avidya Vyavadhanam. Yadyapi is there, therefore Tathapi is added. Sa Yadyapi so lokaha, Tathapi, avidito, avidyaya. लोको no तथापि अध्याहार अध्याह्रियते तत् tippani is not always telling you the meaning of some word. Tippani also could be add this word here in this. टीका लोक शब्दाद उपरिष्टात् तथापि इति द्रष्टव्यम. You see, लोक शब्दाद उपरिष्टात् टीका is there. तथापि इति द्रष्टव्यम. So you have to add after लोक शब्द तथापि. अविदित इत्यस्य व्याख्यानम अविद्यया इत्यादि. अविद्यया इत्यादि. अविदित परमात्मा इज अविदित मीन्स अविद्यया व्यवहित. परमात्माख्यो लोको न अज्ञातो भुनक्ति. परमात्माख्यो लोको अज्ञातो न भुनक्ति न पालयति. Something when it is not known, it will not be able to protect you. Knowledge will protect you. Like, let us say you go to Gangaji somewhere. You don't know where, how much depth is. You say, I don't know, so I am not responsible. Your ajnanam can take away your life. Or the force of water sometimes, the slipperiness somewhere, anything. So if I don't know, I am responsible. Ajnatah na bhunakti. In the same way, Paramatma loka means Paramatma. When not known, my Brahmatva, if I don't know, then even though it is right here, it is me only, but there is no protection. इति अत्र कर्मफल भूतम लोकम वैधर्म्य दृष्टांततया दर्शयति. So to show this, Vaidharmya Drishtanta is given, Karma Phala Bhutam Lokam, Aswa Iva. Aswa Iva Ajñate, when it is not known. Ajñatasya Apalaitritve Sadharmya Drishtantam Aha. Ajñata Vastu will not be able to do Palanam, like Dashamaha, Yatha Laukiko Dashamo. Dashamo Asmi iti Ajñato. न शोकादि निवर्तनेन आत्मानं भुनक्ति तथा परमात्मा अपि इत्यर्थः. यथा लौकिको दशमो अस्मि इति अज्ञातः. फॉर ए दशमः He does not know that I am 10th man. So then Shokadi will not go. No Shokadi nivartanena atmanam bhunakti. Tatha Paramatma api. Paramatma is also like that. Tatraivam shrutyuktam drishtantadvayam vyachashte. In Shruti, two drishtantas are given. Yathacha. Yathacha loke vedo ananukto. Ananukto. How do you understand this word? Online, somebody wants to attempt?
Without understanding Veda.
Na
No,
anuktah.
you have to split the word.
Without being
No, without. No, without. See, uktah, uktah. Anu plus uktah, anuktah. Na anuktah, ananuktah. Veda adhyanam is anuuktah. Uktasya anucharanam. So anuktah means adhita or anadhita?
Adhita.
Adhita. Anuktah means adhita. Ananuktah means anadhita. Once again, I will tell. You have to split the word. You see, anu plus uktah. Anu plus uktah,
Anuktah.
anuktah, dirgha. Anuktah means adhita. Because in Veda Parayana, somebody will do ucharanam, you will do anucharanam. So it is anukta. Anukta means adhita. Na anukta iti ananuktaha. Ananuktaha will be anadhita. So when I explained the mantra, I had explained correctly. Ananuktaha, anadhitaha. Karmadi avabodhakatvena na bhunakti. So if I have not studied Veda, how will I know what karma I have to do and how that ignorance of the karma will protect me? It will not protect me. Na bhunakti. Anyadva laukikam krishyadi karma kritam swatmana anabhivyanjitam atmiya phala pradanena na bhunakti. Or another drishtanta is given, laukikam krishyadi karma akritam. If I don't do krishyadi karma, swatmana anabhivyanjitam atmiya phala pradanena na bhunakti. If I have not done any krishi karma, then that kshetra is not going to give me any phalam in the form of any grains, harvest, etc. Why? Because you have not done what is required. It is anabhivyanjitam. न भुनक्ति एवं आत्मा स्वलोकः स्वेनैव नित्य आत्मस्वरूपेण अनभिव्यंजितो अविद्यादि प्रहाणेन न भुनक्ति एव. In the same way, आत्मा स्वलोकः स्वेनैव नित्य आत्मस्वरूपेण अनभिव्यंजितः. My nitya atmaswarupa, if it is not manifest to me, and how it will become manifest? Avidyadi prahanena. Avidyadi prahanena nityatmaswarupena anabhivyanjitaha swalokaha na bhunakti eva. Then there is no protection. टीका अविद्यादि इति आदि शब्देन तदुत्थम सर्वम संगृह्यते एवरीथिंग वट एवर इज अविद्योत्थम यदि ह इत्यादि वाक्यापोह्यम चोद्यम उत्थापयति यदि ह नेक्स्ट इज इन द मंत्र इट इज गिवन यदि हवा अपि अनेवं वित् महत् पुण्यम कर्म करोति दैट पार्ट अपोह्यम वाक्यापोह्यम अपोह्यम मीन्स निवर्त्यम यदि ह इत्यादि वाक्येन निवर्त्यम चोद्यम उत्थापयति वट एवर इज गोइंग टू बी एलिमिनेटेड अपोहनम ननु किं स्वलोक दर्शन निमित्त परिपालनेन कर्मणः फल प्राप्ति द्रव्याद इष्टफल निमित्तस्य च कर्मणो बाहुल्यात् तन्निमित्तं पालनम अक्षयं भविष्यति तन्न ननु किं स्वलोक दर्शन निमित्त परिपालनेन स्वलोक दर्शन निमित्त परिपालनेन कर्मणः फल प्राप्ति द्रव्यात् कर्मण फल प्राप्ति विल बी देयर सो इफ आई डू दैट इष्टफल निमित्तम टीका ननु अनिष्ट फल निमित्तस्यापि कर्मणः फल प्राप्ति द्रव्यात् कथम कर्मणा मोक्षः सिद्ध्यति पूर्व पक्षी says karma will give moksha how for swaloka darshana nimitta whatever paripalanam that you have to do means nitya karma naimitya karma etc phala prapti dravyat for certain that phala prapti in the form of moksha phala prapti will be there because phala prapti comes so Purvapakshi when he said Siddhanti says just like ishta phala prapti will be there anishta phala also you will get it is not that everything is sukham lot of other things also will come कर्मणः फल प्राप्ति द्रव्यात् कथम कर्मणा मोक्षः सेत्स्यति तत्र आह इष्ट इति सो इष्ट फल निमित्तस्य च कर्मणो बाहुल्यात् तन्निमित्तं पालनम अक्षयं भविष्यति तन्निमित्तं पालनम अक्षयं भविष्यति पूर्व पक्षी says तन्निमित्त पालनम will happen Siddhanti says tanna टीका बाहुल्यम अश्वमेधादि कर्मणो महत्तरत्वम now see Purvapakshi thinks karma will give moksha Siddhanti is now proposing what is your understanding you think bahulyam karmanah bahulyam how ashwamedhadi karmano mahattaratvam ashwamedhadi karma it is done तद्धि दुरितम अभिभूय मोक्षम एव संपादयिष्यति इत्यर्थः पूर्व पक्षी थिंक्स दैट अश्वमेधादि कर्म विल रिमूव पाप एंड विल गिव मोक्ष इन सिद्धांत से तन्ना व्हाई टीका यत् कृतकम तदनित्यम इति न्यायम आश्रित्य परिहरति यत् कृतकम तदनित्यम whatever is created it is going to be impermanent कृतकस्य क्षयवत्वात् iti etadaha what is kritaka what is created is definitely subject to destruction etadaha yad iha now you see Purva Pakshi idea is somebody through karma will get moksha Siddhanti is suggesting him something यदि ह वै संसारे अद्भुतवत् कश्चिन् महात्मा अपि अनेवं वित् स्वं लोकं यथोक्तेन विधिना अविद्वान् महत् बहुअश्वमेधादि पुण्यम कर्मेष्ट फलमेव नैरन्तर्येण करोति अनेन एव आनन्त्यं मम भविष्यति इति। यदि हवै संसारे, इन दिस संसार, इफ देर इज समवन हु इज दिस, ही इज अद्भुत पर्सन, अद्भुत कश्चिन महात्मा, ए रेयर इंडिविजुअल, इज अ वंडर, बट हु इज अज्ञानी, अनेवम विथ, हाउ विल यू डू विग्रह?
न एवंवित् इति अनेवंवित्।
एवं वेत्ति इति एवं वित्, first you have to do that, then na evam vid iti anevam vid. Evam veti iti evam vid. Evam vid means the one who knows atma. Swam lokam yathoktena vidina. Avidwan, as it is taught here, means how that atma should be known, that he does not know. He is avidwan. And what does he do? Mahad bahu ashwamedhadi punyam karma ishtaphalam eva nairantaryena karoti. He is Adbhut Mahatma who does not know, but he goes on doing Ashwamedhadi, so many Punya Karma. Means not taking dip here and there and thinking, I have done so much Punya. One Mahatma was explaining, feeding birds in the morning. I am also doing Punya. At that Punyam, you will, here it is Ashwamedhadi, all big Vaidika karma. That Punya is also not enough for your moksha. भाष्यकार महत बहु अश्वमेधादि पुण्यम, नॉट वन अश्वमेध, बहु अश्वमेधादि पुण्यम कर्म इष्ट फलम एवं नैरंतर्येण करोति. भाष्यकार doesn't stop giving visheshanas also. Avyavadhanena means not that something happened and it is incomplete. Karoti. Anena eva anantyam mama bhavishyati. He thinks by this I will get. Anantyam means moksha phalam. You will not get. टीका सप्तमी अर्थः संसार इति निपातार्थम सूचयति. सप्तमी अर्थ इज वेयर? इह इह संसारे इति निपातार्थम सूचयति. अनेवं वित्वम व्याकरोति. what he does not know, स्वम लोकम यथोक्तो विधिः अन्वय व्यतिरेकादिः. Vidhina. So vidhi means through anvaya vyatireka he does not know atma. Punya karma chidreshu durita prasaktim nivarayati nairantaryena. If there is anything short in punya karma, so then what will happen? There is chidra in punya karma. Durita prasakti will come. Papa karma will enter there. So I may have enough punya, but somewhere some papa is also there. That papa will enter all my punya. Many times it happens, like you start doing some sankalpa, then you have to do puja. In that puja, they say you cannot get angry, you cannot do this, you cannot do that, and something or the other will happen that durita has entered. So here it is not the case. This is nairantaryena. Tatha punyam sanchinvato abhiprayam aha. In this way, the one who has gathered punya, what is he thinking? Anena mama anantyam bhavishyati. Prakranta yat shabdapekshitam kathayati. Prakrama, so this upakrama what has started, yat shabda. So yat shabda you have to connect here with tat karma. Yat iha, right? Yat iha vai samsare, tat karma. तत्कर्म अस्य अविद्यावतः अविद्याजनित काम हेतुत्वात् स्वप्न दर्शन विभ्रम उद्भूत विभूति वत् अंततो अंते फलोपभोगस्य क्षीयत एव. That बहु अश्वमेधादि कर्म is what? Vibhrama. Swapna darshana eva. What is the Mandukya Karika? स्वप्न माये यथा दृष्टे गंधर्व नगरम यथा
तथा विश्वमिदं दृष्टं वेदान्तेषु
विचक्षणैः. Who gave the answer? Okay, good. वैतथ्य प्रकरण 31. स्वप्नमाये यथा दृष्टे गंधर्व नगरम यथा तथा स्वप्नमिदं दृष्टम वेदांतेषु विचक्षणैः. तथा विश्वमिदं दृष्टम वेदांतेषु विचक्षणैः. So all these big karmas also, whatever they are done, they are all nothing but vibhrama only. So vibhrama udbhuta vibhutivat. His vibhuti is arising from vibhrama. Antataha means ante phalopabhogasya kshiyata eva. All his phala upabhoga kshaya will take place. Tika. प्राग उक्त न्याय द्योति ह इति निपातः. So tad ha iha, that ha is nipata. कारण रूपेण कार्यस्य ध्रुवत्वम आशंक्याः. कारण रूपेण कार्य will continue. What is कारण? अविद्या. अविद्या तत् कारणयोर अविद्या कामयोश चलत्वात् कृतक्षय द्रव्योपपत्तिस् तस्मात् न पुण्य कर्म फल पालन आनंत्य आशा अस्ति एव. The karana is avidya. That avidya will continue, and kamana means vasanas will continue, and therefore the karma phala is certainly for impermanence. Kritakshaya dravya upapatti is tasmat. Therefore, na punya karma phala palana anantya asha. By punya karmana palanam, that it will protect me and it will give me moksha, it is not possible. Na asha asti. Then what will give moksha? So now in general we know only jnanam will give moksha. All other phalam will be anityam. Okay, up to this we keep here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.